Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Pen X tutorial how to make a grid. So if you want to make a grid in Ibis Pen, we can use the filter table. Click on the filter icon and then you can move into the bottom option. So in here we can choose the table count tools. You can click and then you can set for the column in here to create grid. I will set into 55 and also in rows like this. You also can set for the thickness in this option, and this is for the top margin. So if you done, you can click these icons to create grid. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Pen X tutorial how to make a grid. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.